Good morning, grade 4s. Now, today we're going to be doing essays, okay? Social science. We're going to start off with geography. So I want you to open up on page 30 for me, please. Now, this is about grid references. The concept of alphanumeric grid references. A grid is a pattern of straight lines that are drawn over a map. Grids help us find places on the map. A map of the grid has lines that are drawn over it. The space between the lines are given numbers along the top and letters along the side. Okay, these numbers and letters give grid references. Grid references help us find places on a map. Okay, so now let's go there. Reading and giving grid references on a simple large scale. To find any place on a map, you look along the side and the top to get the number and letter of the block. For example, A2 or B3. Now, I want you to quickly look at my picture. Okay, so we are going to try and find the grid reference of that flower. Now, we start off by looking at the ABCs at the side. So, it is in line A. So, this whole thing is line A. This is line B. This is line C. This is line D. This whole line downwards is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we're looking for the flower's grid reference. Now we see it is in line A and in line 2. So then we write A2. Okay, then we're going to look for the sun. Now it is in line B4. So we write down B4. Remember that the letters come first and then the numbers. Then we look for the heart. It is in line C3. C3. And then the last stickman, it is in line D5. D5. Okay. So now let's go ahead and look at the activities that you should do. Activity 2.7 on page 31. Look at the grid in figure 2.8 and at the key. So on the page you can see there's a key. Each little picture represents something on the map. Okay, so now you need to say what symbol do you find in A4. So then you're going to go ahead and look in A4 and then what is there? What is the picture on your book? And then you're going to say it's the library or it's whatever it is. Okay. Then you are going to be doing activity 2.8. Now you have a paper in your purple file for 2.8, which is a grid that is already done for you. So you can just paste it in. So look in your purple file so you don't have to copy. So then you're only going to copy any 4 symbols from the key above into the 4 empty blocks on your grid. Any 4 empty blocks. Then you're going to list your symbols and write the correct grid reference for it. So like I did here. Okay. So I drew my grid. I drew the pictures and then I said where's what. Okay. Good. Now the last activity you have to do is activity 2.9. Which is once again you're going to look at the picture. There is a key as well. And then you have to give the grid reference and what is in which block. Okay. So I think it's pretty easy. Then that is all for geography. For history, there isn't any activity for today, only that you have to prepare unit 1 and 2. It's a class test. Now guys, I want you to please remember when we do class tests, look at the keywords. That is what I'm going to be asking you. Look at the keywords for unit 1 and 2 of history. So that means all of the work that we've done up to this point in history, that is what the class test is going to be about. Okay, so I hope this helped, guys. Remember, I'm on WhatsApp whenever you need me. Good luck.